Boom. Welcome to Family Play Game channel. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. So, at 131,297 Recircle, 500k Recircle. Now I could buy Finale. Wait, let me disable. Cool. Finale. Should I do it? Yeah, I should do Finale, but Finale, it did automatically claim daily emerald when possible. Instead of, like, for example, like, click the daily emerald every day, you just buy Finale, so it will automatically give you emerald every day instead of clicking like multiple times every day. Let's go 5, 3, 2, and 1. Boom! Finale is unlocked. Oh no, this is the final boss. Grand Finale. What that means? After buying, you have officially being the game. Yay! But this costs what, 1 million? That's crazy, bro. Congratulations, you will reach a badge and a global message will be sent. Okay, if you watch the other Circle incremental video that was not created by me, you actually see the purple pinkish thing. Wait. Purple and pinkish thing message. Sorry, that was from the voice acting, but who cares? Okay, so 38 left. No, wait, I'm so poor. Wait, what happened here, bro? What happened? Okay, so there will be little bit editing, little bit trimming, little bit something, but who cares? So bye guys.